start with the second method. So in this we are going to apply cheese on one side of the chapati and quite generously so that it sticks to the other half of the chapati. And to the other half we are going to add this chocolate, grated chocolate. So this is normal dairy milk chocolate, to which I've grated, and I'm going to add these shredded chocolate to the other half of the chapati. Yeah, and then we are going to fold it into half, and this cheese is going to bind the two halves of the chapati together. So this is a sweeter version of the quesadillas or a soft taco. Yeah, and then we're going to brush it with some desi ghee, turn it around till the time the crust becomes nice and crunchy. So this is going to help the cheese to ooze in and bind the chocolate and the two sides of the chapatis together. So this is a little more richer version of the earlier bit. We have nicely formed a crust to this, and we are now going to take it out.